What's up, guys? PJH here. I have a box of 2007 Upper Deck Premier Football. But first, go check out my guys at Field of Dreams. They're on Heatherdowns Boulevard in Toledo, Ohio. All you guys in Northwest Ohio and Michigan, go check them out. I have them linked over there. They're buying collections, all that good stuff. Alright, here we go. Premier Football. One hit, one quit. So there's a couple thickies in there. I'm not going to look at the back. Or at least I'm going to try not to. Alright, on top, our first base card is Mark Clayton, numbered at 225. Next, I have a Tony Hunt, numbered 15 out of 50. It's Premier Penmanship rookie card. Next, I have a Deshaun Wynn, numbered 59 out of 99. The same card. Next, I have an Antonio Pittman. That's very nice for my Ohio State PC. Rookie materials, numbered to 199. Next card is Eli Manning. That's numbered to 99. Triple jersey. And next card is Jamal Lewis. Very nice patches on there. 1, 2, 3 patches. Numbered to 99 with some nasty stitching on there. Bunch of colors. Last card is Gaines Adam, numbered 11 out of 20 from the 2007 NFL Draft. So, not too bad, not too good either. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later.